Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I recently visited Puerto Rico and had an unforgettable stay in this beautiful house. This place has just so much to offer: exotic flowers, intricate decorations with a reflection of Puerto Rican culture, greenery, mountain views, animals, calming ambience. I fell in love with this place. Listen to the melodious sound of nature, birds chirping, hustling of leaves in soft breeze, wind chimes, fountain, the authentic Puerto Rican coqui, the frog. We were lucky to see blooming flowers of Lady of the Night. These flowers just bloom for a single night and are very fragrant. Isn't it a beautiful view? The owners also have a horse, 5 stray dogs, and many chickens. That is Velvet, super energetic and loves mangoes. The owners are very caring. They showed us their whole property, and you can feel the love for animals, plants, culture. If you ever visit Puerto Rico, you have to stay at this place. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful new year. Like and subscribe.